Hello, my Blanco Pay users. This is just a quick video on how to quickly get through this PCI compliance questionnaire. So I've already gotten started here. Couple quick notes. They're just going to ask you to verify your merchant information and then a couple quick questions here. For those that are just using my Blanco Pay with no card reader or that Bluetooth device, just select mail order, telephone order, hit yes and then no to the other questions here and hit save. Next, section 3, do you have a relationship with third party? So basically, that's my Blanco Pay. So just hit yes, yes for the first two questions. And then you'll see top right, there was a question of service provider. Click on that drop down and you'll see my Blanco Pay. Once you select my Blanco Pay, then it will fill in virtual terminal provider, hit save. Next, by doing that, it's gonna set your basic parameters and save you a lot of questions on some of those other follow-up things. For example, as soon as you select My Blanco Pay as the product code, it's going to know you're going to use a standalone computer and none of these other options apply. Do you only process cards by assessing payment? Then, you're going to hit yes. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on here. All right, save and continue. Agree. This is picking a SAQ, they call it, and that's just a type of questionnaire that's needed for PCI compliance with my Blanco Pay. All right, so the rest of this should be pretty intuitive. Just the ones that say not started, just click on them. Basically, you're attesting that you're following all the rules for keeping your customer's credit card information safe and you're following the protocol for PCI compliance. So give each of these different questionnaires a quick read and test if possible, and then just move on to the next one. So I'll do another one here just so you can see what it looks like. This is a much faster process than the previous PCI compliance. Once all of the questionnaires have been answered, I believe it's just going to ask you to sign at the bottom, put in your whoever's responsible for the account, last four digits of your tax ID. Let's see. And we're done.